What's up guys and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're working on this 2014 beautiful Toyota Prius, okay? In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to replace the CVT transmission oil in this beautiful Prius. For this job I will use this particular oil, and for one replacement you need just 1 gallon, but it's pretty much a lot of miles on this Prius, so I'll change oil 2 times, one by one. So for those one who not believe that it's interchangeable with the proper Toyota or Lexus specification, please, let's see right here, Toyota Lexus Type T4, WS, and etc. So I did it before, and all the Priuses run pretty well, and some of them already reach like 300 solid miles. So everything's fine. It's trusted oil with a trusted manufacturer. Let's do the job with this bad guy. The very first, you have raise up the vehicle, install the jack stands, safety first guys. If you want, you can take off the tire, and you have reach out the engine cover and take it off with those beautiful clips and take off the cover. So yeah, I'll take the wheel off. This Milwaukee Power. Over here you have to check the bushing for your suspension, okay? So those bushings are feeling not pretty good, but it's not knocking. So I'm pretty sure that the next video will be on replacing a lower control arm for a Toyota Prius 2014. Stay with the channel and please subscribe the channel, guys. So we take off the tire from a vehicle. Right now we're here under the vehicle itself, okay? There's a drain plug and there's a fill port, okay? So there's a CV joint which goes to the passenger side, okay? And unscrew it, drain the oil, and fill up the same amount on the top. So it's a 10mm socket, goes right here like that, and you will use a regular socket to unscrew it, okay? So first of all, unscrew the fill up port, and the next you have unscrewed drain port, okay? As I said before, we'll unscrew the fill up port first. So I'll use this type of setup for unscrew that. So let's do the job. And guys, don't forget install a drain pan. How the oil comes from the transmission, okay? So you have drained it all. So fill up port, we're close it a bit, and now we'll unscrew the drain plug. Let's do this. So when oil stop leaking from a drain plug, just install the plug back and torque down it with a 29 foot-pounds. So 30 foot-pounds. That's it. That's it. Ready for filling up the CVT. So we are placing our jack on another side and installing driver's side tire back. So filling up the transmission. So using this beautiful device, we are measuring that we are draining out like 4 liters of fluid. So fill up transmission with the same amount of fluid, okay? So I will use this perfect priming tool, which I'm using for fill up the transmissions usually. That's how new oil looks like, okay? So we fill up the proper amount of oil, literally 1 gallon, and pushing up air inside. We're in the right pressure position. We are ready for pushing oil. So we're under engine, under the vehicle. We are ready for pushing oil inside the transmission, okay? Just like that. Easy peasy. and make sure that the whole amount of the oil will goes to transmission. Okay, so oil went in. Install the fuel plug back and tie it down with the proper torque, 30 foot-pounds, 29. So whole amount of the oil are in the vehicle, in transmission. Right now we race down the vehicle and make a short trip around the community to make sure that the oil flush inside the transmission. Then we'll back and drain the oil again and fill up with a very fresh oil again. And then that way we'll make sure that the very new oil are inside the CVT. The vehicle is back from a test drive. Everything looks good. Right now we have to do the same procedure. So we drain out the oil and fill up with a new one with the same tools, with the same procedure. So we're draining out our fluid a second time. Okay, to make sure that we are flashing our transmission completely. I highly recommend you guys to do that, especially when your transmission has like high mileage on it. So we are ready for a second round. We fill up our tube, pushing down air, rising pressure, and fill up our transmission with a fresh oil. Okay, second round, here we go. So it's very good that we have a transparent tube over here and you can see how the fluid flows inside the transmission. And we already torque down our bottom drain plug. And make sure that we will clean up the area around the transmission and clean up all the fluid from frame and the parts for avoiding misreading of leak in the future. Okay, so right now we're filling up our transmission second time, and torque will torque the fuel plug. All right, we are good. So install the fuel plug and torque down. Okay, you heard the click. Don't forget your tools, like that. Okay, here we go. So we are ready to clean up the area around the working surface, okay, and raise down the vehicle. Like that. I like do things in the right way. And this one of this. Well guys, I will not film in the last part. There's an installation of the bottom engine cover, which is look like that. Okay, I will using these clips and those tools for installation. Okay, all right guys, if you like the content, if you like the video, please hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section below. And God bless and don't break down. Bye bye.